Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm doing some work on a generator. It's almost winter time, so you know sometimes we have big snowstorms up in the north. Power goes out and it starts to bog down a little bit under heavy load. So I'm gonna do a little quick oil change, check the air filter, and clean out the carburetor. So stay tuned. The unit is a Yamaha, let's see if you actually see it, a Yamaha EF2800i, and it's an inverter generator, so be good for electronics. We'll start off with the oil change first, and it's pretty simple, just a drain bolt down there, go up here. So pull over side, get the drain pan going. Let's drain this oil out. Let's see how to pull over side some more. Just crack that loose. It's a really long bolt. Make sure you don't lose that washer. You might need that a little later. This oil is black. I'm not sure if it ever been changed. I don't think I ever changed it since I got it. I actually ended up picking this up for free. I used to live in Florida. Somebody was throwing it away right before a hurricane. They got a new one. They just couldn't get it started. So I ended up picking it up for free. Great deal. Can't beat free. Alright, we'll let that drain out for a little bit and then we'll catch up with y'all later. Alright, slow it down a little bit, so I'm gonna go ahead and tilt it over and make sure we get all the old oil out of here. Oh, that's one good thing about this. It's not that heavy. I think it's only like 68 pounds, so it's a pretty light generator. Tighten that back up. I think it calls for like 12 foot-pounds or something like that, so don't have to be too tight. So that's good. Clean all the old oil up that dripped on the frame so it won't smoke later. I think this specific generator takes like 0.68 liters. So, or 0.68 quarts. Sure what that conversion is. Basically fill it up until it starts leaking out. Is what the manual says. And that's pretty simple. That was 5 minutes to do an oil change. Now the real part is come clean this carburetor, so I gotta take more stuff off. Clean the carburetor out. That'd be fun. So the carburetor be on his side. That's the carburetor right there. Airbox, fuel, cut off, and engine exhaust, all that stuff. So we like we got two big flat heads. Flash Phillips heads. We get the airbox off so we get behind and remove the carburetor. It's completely missing the filter in there. I'm saying I never took this thing apart. Interesting. Huh. There's really no filter. Gotta go to Amazon and find one of those. We got two tins holding the airbox on. Let's stay right there and I'll take this bowl off. Let's see if we got. Alright, that's a 12. Let's take this bottom bowl off to get access to the jets. Not too bad, honestly, inside of there. Got a little dirt, but honestly not too bad. Oh. Let's see what we're working with. Yeah, nice long flat screwdriver. See if I get this out. one of the jets out on the side of the carburetor. It's a little clogged up. I just had to run some brake clean through it. A couple wires. I can't get it out of there. Had it stuck in there. Alright, so this is all for the trade. Get some like any gauge wire, just gotta straighten it out. Then you get one of your jets. You just poke the wire through the jet to clean any of the debris out. So you can see through it, and you put it to light. And you can see light through the jet. That's how you know it's clean. And you go for the main jet that I couldn't get out. That's crusty. Look at that spark plug. Nah, good bit of rust on it too. So, go ahead and swap that with that for a new one. I already got a new spark plug. Oh, it's gonna focus. Whatever, but it's a BPR4 ES. For this particular model, at least. Ooh, almost dropped it. Heard that? Torque spec. Yeah. Perfect. Then you just throw the rubber boot back on. And use spark plug. So, put some fresh gas in it. Take it outside. Well, take it outside. Put some fresh gas in it. Let's see if it gets started up. And test for leaks right quick. Turn the fuel on and see if you got anything leaking from the carburetor. Which looks like we're good. Pull the choke. Make sure the start button is on. Let's see what we got for first pull. Ah! I count that as first pull. Baby sound good. Look at that little smart throttle. It throttles up and down based on load. I'm gonna pull something into it and see if I get some test power. Now I got two plugged in. That's almost the max capacity. It's like 1500 watt each. Might be running out of gas, ain't putting much gas in it. But it's running pretty good. Once it warmed up, it added out a little bit better. Call that success overall. It did not like both of those being plugged in because it's probably over the wattage. Because those are like 1500 watts each. And I had one on low mode, but I think it's still too many watts. So it's like an overload protection. But it ran fine with one once it warmed up. Had to let it warm up. Hasn't been used in probably what, 8 months maybe. So overall did pretty good. That was a pretty easy tune up. Start up, spark plug, oil, and supposed to be air filter, and carburetor. So I just had to order an air filter for it before I forget. That should be simplifying. Stay tuned for next video when I show y'all how to get a port for the side of the house, so you can just plug it directly to the side of the house and to my transfer switch downstairs instead of running your electric cord through like the window in the basement. So stay tuned for that. That'll be the next video. Thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. See you.